Alright, what's up everybody? It's David and Coley. Today we're going to show you how to extremely clean your Jeep Wrangler, or any vehicle for that matter. But it's my Jeep Wrangler and we're going to clean it because it's got salt and rocks and mud and shit.
Is just do a full power wash on it, get all the nasty shit off the pan. I'm using a pretty high powered power washer with a green nozzle. I believe it's a 25 degree.
All right, what's step 2, Coley?
Step 2, we're gonna foam it. We're gonna do a pretty heavy foam. Round 2 of the foam.
Round 2 of the foam. All right, Coley, what's the technique here?
All right. First off, you want 2 buckets.
Okay, why do you want 2 buckets?
One with just water that rinses out your bed, and then one with your soap to help lubricate the surface.
So you rinse off the dirt in one bucket, and then you re-soap it in the other bucket. Index and pinky, remember it.
So when you're wiping with your index finger, you're collecting all your surface contamination on one side, and then when you're applying, you're getting it all in that side with your pinky.
Look at them scratches, people, because I actually wheel my damn Jeep. So if you don't have a shaded spot to wash your car, you can wash it outside, just immediately bring it inside just to avoid any water spots. Right, here's the proper way to dry your vehicle. The only thing I don't like about this shit takes forever. So after we use the leaf blower thingy, now what?
Well, for that, I use the shop vac thing because it's pretty powerful, but you can actually use an air compressor, leaf blower, anything like that. Basically what we're doing with that is, in order to keep your paint looking the best as you possibly can, is you don't want to touch it. So with the air, we're not touching it, we're going to push the water off the surface without taking all that dirt that we just cleaned off the vehicle right back into the paint. So we'll do a quick detail spray.
This is why I like Coley, okay? He takes the extra step even though he knows my Jeep paint is screwed up because I actually wheel it, okay? But this is the proper way to do it. Alright, so Coley always puts tire shine on the cars he cleans because it adds that extra nice shine. I don't usually do it because my Jeep's for off-roading, but it does make your vehicle look really nice. And like I said, Coley always goes the extra mile on my Jeep even when I don't. But it definitely does make it look good. It's water-based, so it lasts pretty long usually.
And it doesn't sling.
And it doesn't sling all over your vehicle. So usually you'll get like slinged up freaking tire shine all over your paint.
One with Carnauba in it, which adds a little bit of a barrier between the elements and the paint. Usually I wouldn't use this one, but for David's application, I just prefer a quick detailer. But basically I'm just going to come along the car and just do a quick mist. And then same as when you're wiping with your mitt, I'm going to run straight lines. And I'm going to flip my rag and fill it in.
Alright, so Coley's now doing the windows. He just got done doing quick detail on the paint. He's using Rain-X, so when it rains, the water just falls off.
And this is just the 2-in-1. It's not an actual Rain-X application, but
it helps. It repels. How to clean a lifted Jeep windshield 101.
no shit.
When you're short, you stand on the tire. Even I have to stand on the tire to clean the windshield, actually. Alright, so we just finished the windows. Coley let the water-based tire shine sit on there while he did that, so now he's just wiping the excess off. See, I don't like the look of the Armor All stuff. It's too shiny and greasy and
Slings like crazy.
yeah, it looks cheap. But this stuff is a nice satin finish. It's almost like when you get brand new tires and you just like wash them for the first time before they start kind of drying out. But they just look like brand new with a little nice sheen on them. I think it actually looks good. Ooh, look how clean she is. For being how scratched up and messed up my Jeep is from four-wheeling all the time and snow-wheeling and all this crap and not really taking care of the paint, it looks really good. Coley really took his time to do it, so I appreciate it. Make sure you follow Coley on Instagram and Facebook at Ride Remodel. Follow his YouTube channel. It's always linked below, Ride Remodel. And this is how you properly clean your Jeep Wrangler.